meteorologist Adam Epstein.
Good evening and welcome back. What a pleasant day to get outside. We had sunshine and temperatures rise into the 40s for most towns, and some even reaching 50 degrees. Portsmouth, New Hampshire, high of 53. Portland, 51 degrees was our high temperature today, and that's well above normal for this time of the year. In the almanac, normal high for this time of year, 37 degrees. And Portland, sneakily, almost made a record, 54, set 18 years ago in year 2000. So quite warm for this time of the year. And then it's back to winter tomorrow, snow and rain on the way, a rapid recovery on Monday. We're going to see some sunshine and more mild temperatures. And after that, the warm temperatures stick around. Relatively warm this week in the 40s, near 50 degrees for high temperatures. But our next storm is right in the Midwest over here. It's an area of low pressure centered right over Iowa. You could see that counterclockwise rotation, and this is in motion over a 3-hour radar loop. And this is going to progress through the Midwest and come straight for New England. And it's going to be influenced by both cold and warm air, giving us a mix of rain and snow. Tonight will start off clear and temperatures will get cold as heat escapes from the earth. No clouds to trap that heat back down to the surface. Clouds will build in too late for that. So lows fall into the mid and low 20s. Then tomorrow morning from 7 to 9 a.m., snow begins in southern Maine. That's for you in York County, up by Portland. By 9 in the morning, I think we're seeing some snowfall. Cold air is the dominant feature here. Then we go until 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and it's snowing for inland towns like Lewiston and Augusta. For everyone at this point, it looks like snow. But then warm air starts to work its way into Maine from the south, and we're changing over from shades to blue to shades of green, which means rain, and some pink and purple, which means some sleet and possibly some freezing rain if it's below 32 degrees at the surface. So it's starting to get messy in the afternoon and evening hours. Then warm air really starts to win out along the coast and southern portions of Maine by 7 p.m. Check out Portland and up to mid-coast Maine, Rockland. Green here, so that's showing just some plain old rain. But for Freiburg, Lewiston, and Augusta and Kennebec County, it looks like it should be exclusively snow for you. So that's where you'd expect some higher snowfall totals. Then it moves out of here by midnight. The clouds go with it. And by Monday, high pressure is moving in, which means sunshine and more mild temperatures. Highs should top out near 50 degrees on Monday. So a lot of that snow will be melting. This is how much snow you can expect throughout the day tomorrow. Where it's going to transition over to rain, a little bit less, 1 to 3. Inland areas, you could have a wintry mix, changing over to a little bit of sleet and freezing rain, but 2 to 4 for Lewiston, Augusta. Then for the higher elevations where it's exclusively snow, up to 6 inches are possible. That ranges from Freiburg up to Rangeley. Why mixed storms for this time of the year? Well, it has to do with La Nina, which means cool waters in the Pacific just by 1 to 3 degrees. And that makes a certain ebb and flow of the jet stream. And when this happens, the jet stream usually cuts right through New England, and the jet separates cold polar air from warm tropical air. So when storms ride the steering winds of the jet right through New England, they're influenced by both cold and warm air. So that's why we often result in that wintry mix between snow and rain, sleet and freezing rain. Tonight, 26 degrees, clear start, then building clouds. Tomorrow, snow, some sleet, ends as rain along the coast with highs in the mid-30s, low 30s inland where it stays mostly snow. Here's our 7-day forecast. First to the coast as always. Be careful on the roads tomorrow. Take it slow. Give yourself some extra time if you're going anywhere. Then Monday we start a nice sunny streak with highs near 51 degrees. Tuesday it's like a record on repeat, upper 40s, more sun. Wednesday near 50, and inland areas it's very similar except for tomorrow. You can expect cooler conditions inland. On Thursday more sun to come, mid-40s. Then Friday, another storm that looks like it will ride along that jet, and possibly some more snow and rain in the forecast there with leftover snow showers potentially on Saturday, Dan. After we get through tomorrow, this looks like a wonderful stretch of weather to get outside. Pretty nice for this time of the year.
Bizarre that we have a sandwich of 50-degree days in between some snow.
Unbelievable. And just a couple days ago, it was in the upper 60s, and now we're back to winter.
Keeping us guessing, Adam. Thank you very much.